Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, July 10th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Well, Wall Street finished higher as investors looked past renewed tensions in the Middle East and focused once again on artificial intelligence. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite led the way, gaining 1.1%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 added 0.8%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also moved higher, finishing up 0.3%. Now, despite fresh military strikes between the United States and Iran, investors remained surprisingly calm. Oil prices actually moved lower, giving back part of the gains from the previous day, as markets appeared to believe the conflict is unlikely to disrupt global energy supplies in a major way. The biggest story, though, continues to be artificial intelligence. Investors are eagerly waiting for SK Hynix's highly anticipated Nasdaq debut today. Demand for the company's shares has reportedly been around 7 times higher than the available supply, highlighting that enthusiasm for AI investments remains very strong despite the recent weakness in semiconductor stocks. On the economic front, weekly jobless claims were largely unchanged, offering little new information for the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. And finally, Pepsi reported results that beat revenue expectations, but the company also noted that many American consumers are becoming more cautious with their spending as economic uncertainty continues. Alright, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. See you tomorrow morning.